The chair still sits by the window, just the way you left it. The cushion holds a faint, soft shade of someone who is gone. I pass it by each morning, and something quietly bends. It softly aches, that empty chair. It holds the light where you once sat. I do not cry, I only breathe and let it ache so softly. The afternoon leans gold and low and rests upon the wooden arm, as if it waits for you to come and take your seat once more. It softly aches, that empty chair. It holds the light where you once sat. I do not cry, I only breathe and let it ache so softly. I could move it to the wall, but I let it stay right there. It softly aches, that empty chair, and so do I, so quietly. I do not cry, I only breathe and let it ache so softly.